Romans 10:13 and 14. For everyone who calls on the name of the Lord will be saved. How then will they call on him in whom they have not believed? And how are they to believe in him of whom they have never heard? And how are they to hear without someone preaching to them?
In the beginning, God created the heavens and earth. Genesis 1:1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and earth. Genesis 1:1.
In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Now, the earth was without form and void, and darkness hovered over the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God hovered over the face of the waters. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God saw that the light was good. It is good. And he separated the light from the dark. The light he called day, and the darkness he called night. And there was evening, and there was morning, the first day.